Woo! I go up. Helicopter. Take off. Up. Helicopter. Hey guys, I'm ThatKpopBoyJaylen, and today we're going to be reacting to some more CLC content. Well, technically, it's not from CLC, but we're finally going to be checking out my friend Vincent's channel here. He finally uploaded the CLC helicopter Fanchant project. If you guys don't know, I made a vlog of this, like, I think it was like pretty much last year of me like practicing the Fanchant, and then finally recording my final record and sending it to Vincent, which he put my audio into this video along with other chair shears. So I can't wait to check it out. Based on what Vincent told me when he DM'd me, saying like I still made some mistakes on my audio, so it was a lot to edit. So I apologize, Vincent. I'm sorry, bro. I tried, but I can't wait to check this out. So yeah, because you know, I know you guys saw my rant today, and then you guys did comment saying, you know, why it's, you know, it was delayed and stuff like that. And I understand. Yes, I do understand. It was just me being pissed at Cube, like I said. But you know, this is gonna make me feel better, so can't wait. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this reaction started. Alright guys, in 3, 2, 1, now. Wow, it's loud. Oh my god. I can hear myself too. Up, helicopter. I'm getting used to the chant too. I like how he's using the stage mix. Oh my god, yeah. Ugh. I miss her blonde hair. Oh, Elkie! And more. I'm going down. Nobody's ever been. And let me show you shiny road. This is a really sick stage mix. Stop. Go. Yeah. Oh my god. So young. No, yeah. That shine. My bed, man. Oh my god. It sounds really good. Gonna take off. Go up. Helicopter. Oh my gosh. Danger! Oh god. Dancing the time, rise up! Oh my gosh, yeah. Out of control, that's not what. Hey! Oh wait, one. Sorry. Okay, I completely forgot. Oh my god. Sungyi. I woke up in the sky to yell. Hey! That oh my god, yeah. Honestly, she's been killing me with when I watch at these stages. Oh my gosh. And then there's the other girls. Sunghung. Star. Go. Sign. Oh my gosh. I can hear my deep woo. Take off. Up, helicopter. Oh my gosh. That part. Oh, Sunghee. Oh wow, people actually did the stomping and clapping part. Oh my god, yeah. I never actually did that part because I was sitting the whole time when I was doing it. Jeez. Down. Sorry. Wait, props to the other people that did it too. Did it for this one, but damn. Oh, did he? Oh, he didn't put my the CLC part. Helicopter. Like a pilot. Danger. This is a really good. I gotta say this again. It's a really good mix. Wow. Sunky. Oh, there's me in the end. And yeah, these are the credits from the other people. Wow, wow. That was amazing. That was really good. Okay, well, okay, Vincent, if you're watching this, that was amazing. You did a good job, and I apologize if it was a lot, Ed, if it was my fault. But honestly, that was amazing. That was really good. And shout out to the other people, the other chair shares that that contribute to this project. You guys did a great job. We all did a good job, honestly. And yeah, that was fun. I wish I could have done the stomp clap one, but like I said, I was on my bed when I was doing this Fanchant, so I wasn't really sure if I was able to like do that or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, that was really sick. And he did a freaking used a what was it, the stage mix ones, which is clever. I gotta give him props to that. So yeah, oh man, just yeah, honestly, just making me feel like a cheer again, or cheer heart, feeling that void. Yeah, but honestly, this made me feel better. This made me feel better, like how I was like this morning. So yeah, that was awesome. That was awesome. Good work, Vincent. That was awesome. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much my reaction for today, guys. All right, guys, laters.